There is, however, only one thing that this board is missing. Only one thing is missing now. There's only one way to create it. Hi there, I'm Scott from ByTheBrush Miniatures, and I'm building an Imperial City for Warhammer 40k. This is the second part. So we're going to start just by literally unboxing one of these. We're going to be using two of these kits and sort of squishing them together. Just trying to make something as modular as we can, pretty much. So you can see in the instructions here, like say we've got one entire floor there. It seems complete at that point. That's sort of what we're gonna try and create. We're gonna make like a few of them, and yeah, that seems to be everything. So I think with this first kit, I'm just gonna go ahead and follow the instructions and just make each individual floor, and then we can use them as pieces. And I think in the other kit, I might be a bit more creative and see what I can do with that. So I've briefly moved to my beautiful carpet, and as you can see, we have a pretty substantial building, and the best part is it is all pretty modular. So that all comes apart. You know, if you wanted to put this on the top, there you could. These little knobs here all come off. So you can pretty much make whatever you want with these, and these are the ones that the kit actually shows you how to make. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take all the bits used to make these, we're going to go ahead and try and make something of our very own. I'm thinking something a little bit of a smaller footprint than this, so we can make something with an extra floor, so we can get something really, really nice and quite tall. So I've got most of it all cut out now. Now it's just time to stick it all together. I've got a plan. Hopefully it works. Epic music. Again, please. Now that, standing just next to that, is as tall as my waist, my hip sort of, getting there. 7 stories tall, really, really serious building that. So obviously this is not the only configuration because we made everything modular, but this is just fantastic and I'm so happy with the way. This is a bit excessive, we're not going to leave it like this. And look at that, here is a portion of our Imperial City. And this particular portion is actually what we're going to be using for Armies on Parade. So you can just get a good look at that. Looking beautiful. We've got some nice height on the buildings, lots of floor covered, nice space for the Scorpion to walk down there. If you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, you should go check out our Armies on Parade video where we plan the board. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, you can leave a like and subscribe, because that's the best way to see our content. We also have a new open Discord server that you can join. You can also get better benefits on there and access to more things through our Patreon, which obviously we'd appreciate some support on. And you can also look at our Instagram, where we've got a lot of cool things on there too. So I'd just like to talk about the Discord for a bit. It's now open, so anyone can join. There are lots of things on there. We're going to do things like you can post your creations, like what you're working on, models, etc. And then in the future we'll do a reaction video to what everyone sent us and take a look at what you guys are all doing and build a bit more of a community on there. With that said, I'll see you later.